Hey y'all, hey, I'm gonna do some self-care this weekend. First, starting off, I'm getting ready to go to get me a foot massage. I cannot wait. My feet was hurting so bad last night, so this is gonna be so good. Hello.
How are you?
Hi. Do you have any openings for 2 foot massage?
No, not today.
Shut up.
Yeah, the only thing I have would be for one person at 3:30 or 4.
Damn, they ain't got no spot.
So scratch that. The first place we went to, they were booked. So I'm just gonna call a couple of other places and see what they got. So we have wasted like an hour, maybe 30 minutes looking for a place, but we finally found a place to go and get us a foot massage. So we gonna see. I don't know.
Happy ending.
Right. Sure. Happy.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You too. Oh shit.
You know the lady who did mine?
Hannah.
Hannah?
Yes.
Can you get this from me?
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Y'all, so my massage was excellent. Troy said,
Man,
I can't believe it.
man, she was, I guess 'cause I'm a big dude, she was just too rough.
Oh yeah, she was pretty hard, but I thought you liked. Why you didn't tell them how you like it?
And she was rubbing my legs and stuff, so like it was dry, like that shit was on fire.
Oh yeah, they don't use a lot of oil on the legs.
I got a headache. You see how I'm walking? She beat my back up.
So he can't handle a little deep tissue, y'all.
That wasn't no deep tissue.
Your shit wasn't cracking though. My shit was
Nah, I
cracking.
ain't
Like
crack.
my toes was cracking and everything. Well, sorry, but if you're in West Palm Beach, go to Luxury Training with Melo. This is his first day of basic training. Say hey.
Yeah, she's too small right now.
So we're gonna see how this goes with Melo today. Hopefully he be a good boy. Say I'm gonna be a good boy. You gonna be a good boy?
Yeah.
That's Melo over there. Melo, Melo.
Thank you.
Once he wants your hand, so you can kind of quickly be like, hello, and he'll come up and touch your hand. If he's barking out the window at the mailman, same thing, hello, and he'll come touch your hand. The reason we're not adding any words to these commands just yet is because they don't know what it means. We're just gonna be talking gibberish at them, saying random words. Usually we wait a week to add in the word. We try to just teach the motion of it right now. That way, when we do add in the word, they'll have a meaning. So,
Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, so Melo just left his training and he did not like it. He did good at first, but he got frustrated because he wanted treats and he couldn't figure out why he's not getting the treats, and that's because he wasn't doing the commands. So he has a little attitude problem. So once he gets upset, it's like, fuck everybody. So it is what it is.
Big G, not the little one.
Good job, baby. That is the end of our bowling night. We back home.
You still drinking?
I mean, you paid for it, right? So this is my second drink, and I had a shot. Troy had 2 Cokes.
Oh yeah.
I forgot what everybody else had. We was gonna go to this other little spot, but no, it ain't really necessary. I'm late. What's the problem, Eminem?
Can't hold your liquor.
I'm just fine.
Why we ain't with the Lakers?
Cause
You told me you were drunk in the car.
he started going over there. You ain't getting nothing else. No water, no nothing. Hey y'all, hey, day 2 of this weekend vlog. We're walking Melo in the neighborhood, and probably gonna go to Starbucks. Okay.
Hello. Yeah, that now. Nobody else. She left this morning, y'all.
That's too sweet. Look at all that caramel. I know you ain't sipping but nothing but straight caramel. I'm doing no vlogging. So yeah, I got this little dress because I forgot to vlog. Koi this little t-shirt on clearance for $4 and some change. I'm gonna wear this dress in Tulum. Y'all will see it when I put it on.
Dog food. I'm sleepy.
Dog food. Y'all, I did not want to come to no Costco today. Like, this was not on my plans today. I hate coming to this store. When I order, y'all know, let me turn my camera around. When I order from Costco, y'all, I do delivery. I order through Instacart, and all they have to do is just bring me my food. They wait in line. I ain't doing all of that. Picking up stuff. Ain't no bag. Ain't nothing to put your stuff in. Oh, you can't drive. So, I don't really like Costco. And then, Costco don't really be having the black people snacks. Sam's have the black people snacks.
You gotta go get a Sam's card then.
Y'all, I'm so fucking cold in here, and Troy keep picking up everything that he sees. I am ready to go. Like, go.
What you got bananas? You don't want to do this stuff, but you know, saving me money. That's fine. You saving me money by not doing it.
Well, that's fine, but I'm ready to get out of here. It's a lot of people. It's crowded. It's cold as hell. It's like 0 degrees in here. Y'all, he getting water. We just ordered water on delivery.
Oh, same.
It's not the same, but I mean,
Cheaper.
more bang for your buck. Did y'all like the strawberry lemonade?
I don't know what you tried.
When I tell y'all I'm hot, I'm tired, this was not the vibe that I was on today. Like, I have a facial at 1:45 in a little bit. Like, I wasn't on this type of stuff today. Okay. Like, at all.
Specification. I don't even see.
Boy, please, okay? So, tell the people what I need to do.
Throw one back. Take one of her PMDD pills because she is tripping. Everything aggravates her. Everything irritates her. She gets pissed off for everything right now. And she only does this when PMDD kicking in. But I've been saying PMDD here. Said it's about 3 days ago. But that motherfucker here today. So go ahead and pop off. I go get you. I'm finna go get you medicine right now.
I don't need you to get it for me.
Oh, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna go get that right now.
Neck hurting.
She been sitting in the car for about 20 minutes. She ain't moved. This is when she had PMDD.
I just get overstimulated easy. So, what?
Over what?
Stimulated.
No, you get freaking crazy.
No, you tricked me. We were supposed to be going to Target, y'all.
No, we're supposed to go to Starbucks.
Target to Starbucks to get a matcha latte, get my dog some more dog food or whatever, and just, you know, see what they had in Target. Some kind of way we ended up at fucking Sam's. Costco, excuse me. Costco. $602 later. Shit sitting back here, so now I gotta go in the house, help unload groceries, put them up. I didn't feel like doing that. Then I gotta turn around and cook.
I'm making my own steak on the grill. And I can put my potatoes on the grill too.
What potatoes?
The potatoes I bought them $602. You swiped your card, Debbie.
Oh yeah, you can put my potatoes on. You probably could put my lobster tail on there.
That's why I was asking you that.
Yeah, wrap it up.
Wrap it up, season it, put the butter and all that, and then put them on the grill. I'm finna get that steak together, boy. I'm so
I look
excited.
a hot, greasy mess, but I'm finna go get me a facial.
That's your PMDD face.
I want to see you see him for the
Huh?
first time. You right?
So y'all, I'm home. I just made me some sauce for my crabs. I got my crabs on the grill, and this is it. It's raining here in Florida real bad. Yeah. Somebody told me that I was half looking. Excuse our messy out. I did that already. Did that already. He said when he find it, he's gonna knock me in the head. So I did that already as well. It's not there either. So what do I get to do when you don't find it?
Make love to me. Show me that you are a...
No, you said you're gonna knock me in the head if you find it because it was here. I told you that it wasn't here. You don't see it either. So I want to know. Oh, on the floor. But why? Who would put it down there, like on the floor? Seasoning on the floor. Like, why would you put it on the floor?
Why you didn't look for it?
I did. Look how long it took you to find it.
But I looked thoroughly. Thoroughly looked for it.
You didn't thoroughly
Thoroughly
shit. You didn't thoroughly shit. So y'all, I do like my crab steamed plain, and then I just like the dip. I don't like all that sauce over my hands. Bye y'all.